leaving us. Another beam? Watch out! Unbelievable. We're still alive. It's Kong. Huh. Godzilla and Kong saved us. Are they drawn by that colossal heap of metal? Those drones are getting on my nerves. Let's take care of our gap. That's how you do it! All right! Hey, stop, Godzilla! Guys, even though it's dangerous, let's talk real quick. It's just that this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Shouldn't we stick close to watch their last stand? Watch out! Hey, you doing okay? The technology of this aircraft is one of a kind. I wonder who came up with this. Drones incoming. It's all up to you, my friend. Be careful! Kong saved us again. I hope that he's all right. Oh, what a sight! I'm speechless. Pay attention to the body of Mechagodzilla. The spot that emits the red beam is its weakness. Now's the time. Fire! Good job. Continue the great work. Bullseye! Mechagodzilla is weak. Alright guys, time to leave. That was totally a peaceful observation and traffic. I hope that the info we collected is useful. Otherwise, sacrificing the ship. What a loss.